Hi guys, welcome back to another Roblox video, and today we are going to be doing another Meep City.
We'll do Meep City Adventures Part 2.
That's correct.
If you're on my channel, welcome back. This is Meep City Part 2.
And if you're on my channel, welcome back. And
you already said welcome back when we started.
I know, but
I didn't get to
on my channel. It's my channel. Okay, so we're in Meep City right now, and I'm going to go create, I think we're gonna go make a party. I don't know.
Yeah, it's probably a party.
So I'm gonna make my own party. I'm pretty sure that it will go so wrong, but it might have a lot of people, and it might not.
I'm gonna go to Ava right now, so...
Oh my gosh. Okay, so Lucas is in the water right now. So I'm gonna create a party. I'm gonna create a dance party. And yes, I am. So I'm gonna give you a little short, quick tour of my house before everyone comes. But you know, they might come if I'm giving you a tour. Okay, so you have got to be kidding me. Again? Oh.
Everyone has a castle for a house.
Okay, so this is my house. I am plus, so I have these little ribbon things. And then this is my kitchen. There's a little coffee maker, a juice bar, like coffee maker right here, the juice bar, a little cutting board, refrigerator, a fryer,
Wait, hold on,
pans right here, a microwave, a stove, and an oven. And then there's just a little bar with some placemats. And then there's a nice little seating area with a pineapple table, and you know, all that good stuff. And there's a visitor sign, and I'm the only one because no one has shown up yet. And then there's a little dance, like show off your moves kind of, you know, stand. And then there's some party cannons. And then there's a hot tub right here. Not hot dog. Sorry, hot tub right here. And then there's a nice music box with the music that's playing right now. And it's not copyrighted. It's Meep City's owned music. I'm pretty sure. Not 100% sure. Okay, and then this is the bathroom with the towels and the bathtub and the toilet and the sink and the mirror and the toilet paper and all that stuff in the bathroom. Yeah. And then there's so much dance floors here because it's a dance party. So yeah. And then there's my Meep bed. My Meep bed.
15 likes already. 15 likes.
I do. I'm gonna like my own party. I have 16 likes. Okay, and then there's this this is the playroom. This is like the movie room where you have fun. And there's a bouncy house. And so you can get some, so you can get some popcorn if you want. Or you can go in, I know, I have one in my room. Or you can go in the ball pit. Actually, no, this is not the movie room. This is like the playroom for kids. Yeah, children's room and, you know, fun room, like fair room kind of. And let's turn on the fog machine.
Guys, that's another cool thing about Meep City. It's just so well made. You can actually make stuff in.
This is going to be a bathroom, I'm pretty sure. And then there's a little sitting area with some pizza that you can enjoy with a friend. And then there's another hot tub. Not hot dog, a hot tub.
Like home insurance for your house.
And then there's a refrigerator with water and like soda, so you can drink it when you're in the hot tub. And then there's a trophy case. So I've earned 1 billion. I went to the 1 billion rewards party in Meep City, and I also won the ball thing in there for a level.
I just gotta do it anyway, but my friend's in you, so let's see.
Oh, who's it? Have I played with her before?
No.
Oh. Okay, and then this is probably going to be the movie room, not the bathroom anymore. And that's my house. So, I don't think anyone's showing up right now, which is kind of sad. There's only one person here, it's me. So I'm going to leave my own party. Okay. My party has gone wrong. Now I'm going to go to my brother and his friend his Roblox friend. Right now. She has a noob house. What else do you need? Wait, did you tell her she's on YouTube?
Yeah. Listen to while you're on YouTube.
Smile. You're on.
You have to say U space TU and then space DE. You're scaring me. How? You're scaring me. You're scarring me. U T U D E. Can't say T. Oh, never mind. I don't want house.
Does she care if she's on YouTube? Okay, so guys, I just told her that we're on Smile, you're on YouTube.
And she's like,
So, and then she said, "You're scaring me." What is this?
Is this like a school or something?
It's a schoolhouse, literally. Ha 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 ha.
This is a school.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to. Wait, where are you guys? I can't see you.
This is a schoolhouse, but crash.
You aren't in here, Lucas.
Yes, I am. I'm in here.
Do you see me?
Oh.
Okay, so guys, I have lost Lucas.
No, you're just teleporting the house.
Okay, so
If you didn't get my joke, this is my joke. So it's a house, but she like decorated like a school.
yeah.
And she decorated a school. So it was a school house.
This is how I feel about this is how everyone feels about your joke.
No, that's how everyone feels about my joke.
Yeah, no. Okay, comment down below if you get his joke or you think it's funny, because I don't. Okay. See, I see you. I don't think I was even in the right house.
You were in the right house.
Okay, guys, I think we are going to, do something, like, I think we're gonna go look in people's houses right now, or I am.
What is that?
No, actually, I'm gonna be a child. What is this face? What, like,
I'm a trained editor to sound my sound effects.
Okay, so
that wasn't a joke. I have a room, and I'm not afraid to use it.
So I'm gonna be a kid, and then I'm going to say who needs a child. Bless. That's on YouTube right now. So
Just like roasting this lady.
Child.
Here, this is more like the editor. Play the better sound effect for my schoolhouse joke. What?
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it's slower tempo than the other one.
Okay, so Lucas, how do you do this again? Like, how do you go there without tapping it?
What? You don't have to.
Like, do that. Go to the space thing. What do you press?
What?
To like talk without pressing that with your mouth. Oh, okay, never mind. Sorry, guys. So, nope. Okay, not gonna be kidding. So, if you haven't seen our first Meep City adventures, please go and check that out. Even though it was a little bit, it was not that good. please go check it out. And you can.
Spike is on mine.
Who's that? Ooh.
Why do we have a giant pencil? Oh, if you're wondering why I didn't say anything because it's my friend, and I don't wanna.
It's
I don't
personal.
wanna put his name out.
It's personal info, so.
Hi. I have 300 Robux. Hi.
I'm gonna say, do you know who I am?
You probably don't know. So,
Okay, so I'm going. Oh, yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, he knows who I am, guys. If you haven't seen, okay, and I have said
so
this.
It's a schoolhouse.
Oh, I'm gonna say smile. You're on YouTube. Smile. You're on you. To. Oh my gosh, he already is smiling. Oh my gosh, he's already is smiling. So, I think we're going to leave the video off right here because it's already been, I think we've already been playing this for like 20 minutes. Oh yeah, 12 minutes. Okay, so.
Oh my god. Ah! I'm being punched.
Okay, so we're going to.
Pencil drawing.
Okay, so we're going to leave the video off right here. Subscribe, click the like button, and don't forget to comment down below that you subscribed. So, see you guys later. Bye!